Despite cheating videos being the main thing people outside of the community see, airsoft being full of cheaters is a giant myth. The truth is that when you think you hit somebody, 90% of the time you didn't. That's because BBs have terrible ballistics. They're small plastic balls that weigh almost nothing and have to compete against gravity and wind. You have to try very, very hard to get them to land on target. For 9.99% of that 10% remaining, you did hit the person, but you hit them in a spot that they wouldn't feel it, or the impact was so light that they thought it was a ricochet. These are genuine mistakes, and these people aren't actually cheating. They just don't know that they got hit. And of course, that remaining 0.01% is people who are genuine cheating.